Welcome to our exploration of peroxisomes. In this video, we'll delve into the world of peroxisomes, uncovering their structure, where they're found within cells, and the crucial functions. Let's dive in. Peroxisomes, those tiny membrane-bound organelles, have a single lipid bilayer membrane setting them apart from other cellular components. This unique feature makes them distinct from organelles like mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. Found in the bustling cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, peroxisomes aren't picky about their location. They're scattered throughout, adapting to the cell's metabolic demands. The strategic distribution speaks volumes about their multitasking capabilities. Now, onto the powerhouse functions of peroxisomes. These organelles break down fatty acids into energy-packed acetyl-CoA molecules, crucial for cellular activities. Peroxisomes are the guardians against harmful compounds. The enzyme catalase within breaks down hydrogen peroxide and reactive oxygen species, shielding the cell from oxidative stress. They're not just breaking down. Peroxisomes also craft certain lipids, including plasmalogens, vital for cellular structure. Amino acids meet their fate here, being transformed into various products. Peroxisomes produce and handle hydrogen peroxide, maintaining a delicate balance to prevent cellular damage. Sometimes, things go awry. Genetic disorders like Zellweger syndrome can disrupt peroxisome function, causing a buildup of substances and leading to developmental and neurological challenges. Plant cells have their own peroxisomal story. They're pivotal in photorespiration, helping plants manage excess oxygen and convert glycolate into carbon dioxide. In response to the cell's needs, peroxisomes can multiply. This expansion addresses increased demands for detoxification or metabolic processes, ensuring the cell's well-being. Remember, peroxisomes and mitochondria are partners in crime. While mitochondria are energy powerhouses, peroxisomes tackle metabolism, detoxification, and hydrogen peroxide management. They collaborate to maintain cellular harmony. Isn't the world of peroxisomes simply captivating? From their unique structure to their versatile functions, these organelles are vital cogs in the cellular machine. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting journeys into the realm of science.